Hello friends, today in this video we are going to study about real valued function. So friends, let's start. What is a real valued function? See, definition of real valued function, that is, it is a function that assigns a real number to each member of its domain. If you put each element of its domain, if we are getting output a real number, then that function is called real valued function. So friends, if x is any set, then function f mapping from x to r means here real number, set of real number, then this function f is called real valued function. Real valued function. So x, any set you take, okay, it contains real number, imaginary number, whatever element it contains does not matter, okay. But the set R means real number set of real numbers. So the range of this function must contain real numbers, otherwise we cannot say that function is a real valued function. Understood? So you see, you can say a function whose range is a set of real numbers is called a real valued function. So range must contain all real numbers. All real numbers means whatever element range contains, it must contain real numbers, okay. It does not means all real numbers, okay, but it contains whatever elements it contains, they must be real numbers. Then we can say the function is real valued function. So friends, for example, let x set, it contains a, b, c, d, whatever value it may contain, okay, and mapping from x to y. A, B, C, D. Here 1, 2, 4, 5. A is related to 1, B is related to 1, C is related to 2, and D is related to 5. Okay. So here you see every element of set X is related to exactly one element of set Y. So it is a function. So f, the f function is what? A1, B1, C2, D5. This function, here you see, every element of set X is related to exactly one element of set Y. Here see, A is related to exactly one element, that is 1. B is related to exactly one element, that is 1. C is related to exactly one element, that is 2. D is related to exactly one element of Y, that is 5. So, function f is a function. So, f is a function. Now, we check whether the function f is a real valued function or not. Here you see, what? The range is a set of real numbers. Range must contain real number, otherwise this function is not real valued function. So, now we see the range of what? Range of function f. So, range is here 1, 2 and 5. The set of second coordinates of this function. Okay, you see, the range contains 1, 2, 5. Okay, so as these elements are what? Real numbers. So, the function f is a real valued function. So, f is a real valued function. Here you see, it is a function that assigns a real number to each member of its domain. Domain is your X set. Each member means each element A, B, C, D. Okay, A is related to a real number, B also related to real number, C is related to real number, D related to real number 5. So, this function is a real valued function. Understood? Now we take another example. See, 1, 2, A, B, here 2 plus 3i, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this related to this, related to this, this related to this, this related to this. Function f x, y. Two sets. Set y contains 2 plus 3i iota, 4, 5, 6, and it contains 1, 2, a, b, these elements. Okay. Now, function f is real valued function or not a real valued function. Now we see. So, here you see now every element of set X is related to exactly one elements of set Y. So f is a function. Now we see the range of this function. So range of function f, it contains what? 2 plus 3i iota 4, 5, 6. It contains this number 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 are real numbers, but this number 2 plus 3i iota here, this is your imaginary part. It is a complex number, not real numbers. Okay, so this function f is not a real valued function. Understood? I am taking another example. A, B, C, D, K, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Relation from X to Y. This relation is a function or not? First we check. So, as every element of set X is related to exactly one element of Y. Here you see, this element is related to exactly one element of Y, that is K. This element is related to exactly one element, that is 1. This element is related to exactly one element of Y, that is 1. D what is exactly related to one element of Y, that is 2. So for each input we are having only one output. So this function, this relation f is a function. So relation f is a function. Now we see whether it is a real valued function or not. So friends, here you see, we find the range of this function. If range contains real numbers, then we can say the function is a real valued function. Understood? So friends, here range of function f, it contains k, 1, 2. So range contains k, 1, 2. 1, 2 are real numbers. Yes or no? Yes. But now think about k. K is a variable. It may be real number and it may be imaginary number. So this function, if it is real number, k is a real number, then the function is a real valued function, but as it is a variable, it may be a imaginary number. So this function f is not a real valued function. So f is not a real valued function because we do not know k is a real number or imaginary number or complex number, whatever. We do not know. Understood? So f is not a real valued function. Understood, friend? Thank you for watching this video.